Sino ba kasi nagpauso na yung bagong Tofu Light ay pang babae lang daw? Tofu Light, ang daya mo kasi bakit pang babae lang sabi mo dito? But honestly speaking, itong bagong version ni Tofu Light, for me, is an upgraded version, pero hindi lang to dapat limited sa mga babae. Kaya nila sinasabi yon kasi may kasama siyang ganito, which allows you to carry your new Tofu Light ng mas madali po. This is actually a cool piece and kahit lalaki ako magagamit ko to. But what I love about the new version ni Tofu Light is meron na po siyang mga mounting accessories. In fact, kasama na po yung ating mini tripod, pati po yung ating clip na pwede natin gamitin for our mobile phone. Kasama na nga rin pala yung ating Type-C to Type-C charger para po mas mabilis tayo mag-charge. It works just like a regular Tofu Light. Meron po tayong adjustment ng brightness dito. But if you notice, ang ganda na pong interface niya ha. Mas professional na at mas modern tignan. So if you press this button, pwede mong palitan naman kung gusto mo ng white light and then you wanna change this into daylight, katulad nito, pwede. But if you turn it down, magiging yellow light po siya. But the other function is kapag tinwist mo to, meron siyang RGB lights. You'll see na may pagka-orange siya. If I twist this, nagiging parang green lighting. So this is perfect as your fill light or your mood light. So pwede kong gayahin yung ilaw dun sa likod. So pwede mo siyang gamitin as your main lighting, pwede pong background light, at pwede mo rin siyang gamitin as your fill light. So Tofu Light, I don't agree with you. Hindi to pang babae lang. Pwede tong gamitin maski mga lalaking content creators at wala kang magagawa kasi ipipilit ko, gagamitin ko pa rin to. So thank you for launching this upgraded version ni Tofu Light. Stay safe. Peace.